My name is Lynn Cesaro. I've been a middle school library media specialist for 20 years. I work in Amityville Middle School. Recently, our school has become a Google Apps for Education school, and I'm becoming a Google certified trainer to help in that process. The best part about the Google Suite is that students can collaborate with each other, and the teachers can give immediate feedback on work using Google Classroom. My role in the district is to train the students and the staff to utilize Google Suite effectively. Welcome to the new features in Forms that allows you to change your form into a quiz. By selecting the settings, you can change it to quizzes here, make this a quiz, and you have the choice of how you want to release your grades immediately or later manually. You can let your students see missed questions, correct answers, point values. You want to turn off the correct answers so they're not sharing the correct answers throughout the day. And back in general, you can choose to collect your email responses, and you can have them sent to your students as well if you wish. So I'm going to save this here. I'm going to take you to my saved form. And so here are questions. I always include the name and the periods and the teachers that they're looking for, as I work with many students. So you have that option if that's your situation or whatever you need. And then you have the questions here. Now, what's different now about these forms as opposed to survey version is that it has an answer key value here. Okay, so I want to put the correct answer, which it's already been chosen here, and you can add your point value. Of course, when you're doing username and pass entrance, you do not need points for that, and you can again always choose it as your required questions. Okay, once you have all your questions, you can now preview and take the test yourself. I've done this, and you want to put correct and incorrect answers so you can see the different graphs. If I go back to edit and look at my responses, I can see summary or individual answers and how a student did, and I can go back to summary, and now it has a graph representation including the email addresses. So that also will give you a student's name if that works for you, and it gives me separation by their correct and incorrect answers. A nice feature here now also is that you can save this to a spreadsheet in Sheets and modify it as you see fit by teacher, by grade level, by grade, whatever works for you and what you need. And you could adapt it to be downloaded to upload into your grading system, whether you needed Excel, a PDF, or a CSV, which you could use for eSchool.